Hi everybody, Drew here with Happy KO. Here with another quick tip. So Lawrence was asking me recently, hey Drew, why does your bass suck so bad? And I said, well Lawrence, it's because I suck at playing bass. But I have a tip to turn a lifeless, shitty bass. Lawrence heard this and he said, this bass is terrible. And I said, I can make it better. And I'm going to show you how I did exactly that. First, let me just take all my fancy plugins off. And I'll show you what all those fancy plugins do. So here's this really shitty bass. It's like one drone. Has no life to it. No dynamics, no life. Nothing good about it, folks. First plug-in is a noise suppressor. It just takes a little noise off of it. Can't hear any difference really. Just ignore that one, right? This is the granddaddy right here. This is what changes the sound a lot. So it's a multi-band expander. Well, just listen, I guess. But basically what it's doing is expanding the bands at slightly different ways based on how I set the frequencies. Visually, the sound hits harder and dies off instead of it just being one flat drone note the entire time. More instruments and shit. Alright, this next one is just a sidechain kick hits. The C6 multiband compression, expansion. Not multiband at all. Multiband at all equally. This next one is harmonic content. Gain staging before any louder. What the plugin is doing is sub speakers, low frequencies, and I'm just pushing up content 51 hertz. The harmonic for the -2. Compressor after all the expansion, harmonic content. Compressor, harmonic content is compressing. And again, I try to do the gain staging, see the input and output. If these are blue over here, it means it's not on gain reduction. And the compression, later stages, like mixing, the mix bus and the master bus alive. The same volume, everything's off. Now with it all on. Movement and dynamics. I tell you, you gotta compress the shit out of the bass. Good bass player. I am not. There's my bass tracks. And that's how you do that, folks. If you liked the video, make sure to like it, to hit that like button because you liked it. And, subscribe if you're feeling generous and you want some, you want to send us a comment about some stuff that's, going on in your life personally. That's exactly what we want to hear about. So